Kalamunggay mo diha. 5 ang tapok. Yeah, for the soup. Can you say kalamunggay? Yeah, well done. Airplane. Whoa.
You know what? When I went to the park, I seen this kind of fruits, and then when they're not cool, I just ate them with my friends.
Yeah. This is yummy. So soup.
You know what?
Can you say nak to nanay kalamunggay?
Kalamunggay.
Yes.
Yeah, good job. Lini, how about you? Kalamunggay.
Kalamunggay.
Dada.
Not that.
Dada.
Kalamunggay.
I like my arrow.
Kanawa tayo.
Do that. Let mom do that. Okay.
Show to nanay lang.
Nanay.
Nanay. Nanay.
Arrow.
Kalamunggay.
Kalamunggay.
What was that?
Is he dead?
Yeah, I think it's dead. Oh wow, that's a big cockroach, guys.
Is he dead? Is he dead?
I know.
Is he dead?
I don't know. Come on,
That's scary.
come here.
Why?
Let's go. Come now. It's scary. Come on.
Remember the one in my room? That was bigger than that.
I know. It's crazy. Cockroach Brisbane, guys, sobrang lucky. Wow, what a beautiful day. Come on, girls. We're gonna go. We are going to the library for Celine's rhyme time.
Mommy?
Yeah. Here.
Mommy?
Do you want Nana?
Mommy?
Lily.
The one that was on the drawer. That was the same size as the one in my room.
Really? Here. That's yours. And that's yours. Okay, Mama will open in the car. Come on. Morning, guys. It is Tuesday and it's currently 9:22 in the morning. Kaya tayo papunta tayo ng library for Celine's rhyme time. And nakita nyo kanina, andito si Ate Paris. Kasama natin. So I know it's school day today, but Ate Paris is not at school because kahapon I had to pick her up mga 1 o'clock ng hapon kasi tinawagan ako ng school na ipapick up siya kasi Ate Paris daw ay sick. So apparently she vomited kahapon sa school nila. So nung pinick up ko siya kahapon, naawa ako guys kasi nandun siya sa parang clinic nila ba, siya lang mag-isa. Hawak niya yung parang parang sukahan ba, just in case. But yeah, so I took her home, gave her some rest. So pinatulog ko siya sa couch, and she felt, yeah, you felt better after that, yeah? Yeah. So I think like, yeah, I don't know the main reason kung bakit talaga siya nagsuka, but sabi ni Daddy Mike, it's probably because we gave her the vitamins in the morning tapos wala pa naman yung tiyan niya ba, so maybe that causes the trouble sa kanyang tiyan. So yung patakaran kasi sa school, kapag nagsuka ka, you're not allowed to go in 24 hours. So since ano pa yung 1 o'clock yung siya, pinick up ko siya, then hindi siya makakapasok today. So they marked her absent today kasi nga she's sick. So hindi naman talaga siya sick, guys. I think it's just because of that. Kasi looking at her now, she's totally fine. Anyways, so kailangan namin pumunta dito ngayon sa rhyme time ni Baby Celine. Oh, I hope may parking. Sinama ko na lang si Ate Paris. Oh, kailangan ko naman talagang isama kasi wala pa siyang kasama sa bahay. But she's totally fine.
Was it cheese day today?
Oh!
But it's a cheese day today.
Yes, it is lang. Rhyme time is finished. We're just going to the cafe. We'll have coffee and eggs on toast. We'll see. So yeah, now I'm just spending my day with these two little girls here. It doesn't happen all the time.
Is this the cafe?
Yeah. This way.
Is this the cafe?
Yes, go there. You have to sit there. Okay, choose the table at the. Yum.
A few moments later.
Time check tayo guys. It's now 12:30 ng hapon. Nandito kami sa sasakyan. And we are outside Inala Plaza. Yung bang Asian grocery.
Can I take off the seatbelt?
Of course you can. So tingnan niyo ang ating baby CELINE ay tulog na tulog. Yan. Nag-message ako kanina sa tita ko. Pupunta sana kami sa kanila. Tapos sabi niya may appointment daw yung tito ko sa doktor. Sabi niya, let's just meet up sa Inala. Mag-lunch daw kami dito. So, perfect. 12:30. Ando na sila. And, yeah, we'll just get out here. Ayan. Buti na lang nadala namin yung pram. Hindi ko pa talaga naisip kanina na ilagay sa likuran. Kasi minsan yung pram nasa sa garage namin ba. So, si Daddy Mike yung last na gumamit. And thankfully, binalik niya sa likuran. So, kasi tulog ang ating baby CELINE. So, I'll see if I can transfer her sa pram na natutulog. What have you got there, ate?
I just want to show a car for Nana Christine. And I made it by myself. I colored this on front and I traced it up. And I also did some writing at the back, and it said, "Dear Nana Christine, I hope you have the best time with me from Paris. Kiss, 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 hug, 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 hug."
Oh, Nanay Christine will like that. That's for sure. It's beautiful. Tingnan niyo, nilagyan pa ng mga, palamuti.
They're sparkly.
Sparkly stickers. Alright, shall we go?
I'm supposed to put this on my bag, but it's okay. I never used it.
Sila naman dahil gabutang daanan na ta.
No, ikaw na din makatsamit.
What's in there? Kakatapos na namin kumain guys ng lunch. Tita. Baby girl! Okay, ang anak ko eh. Come here na. This way. Gustong sumakay. Hey, ala, tingnan niyo. Louis Vuitton pa man. Come here, anak. Gusto yatang sumakay nito eh. Anak ko! Come na! Tingnan niyo ang binili oh. Parang walang winter sa kanila. What is it? We'll try daw lang. Do we have $1? $1 toothpaste. Nini, what have you got there?
You have to get one candy.
Ice cream.
Ma, do you have to get one candy or a lot?
Yeah. Well, try to get a lot.
So taking a lot?
Oh yeah, we have $1 lang oh. Yes, sweetie girl. Pumunta lang ng toilet si tita guys. Dinala niya si tito. Kainin na namin tong ice cream sa labas. Yay! Yay! Open? We will open it. We'll wait for Nanay, okay? Nanay. Can you say Nanay? Nanay? Christine? Lini! Nanay Lini! Here lang. Te, try te. Ayla. Go. Get ready.
Now?
Yeah. Go. Okay, you do it. Hey, down, you did already. Okay, we'll see if that works. Push, push. Push! Ah! Nearly!
Should have gone this way.
You've done a great job though, honey.
They had to go.
Twice, guys. Ayan, naka-add siya dyan. Pero kailangan mahulog ito.
Wow, we're supposed to get here.
Ano ka? Naunsa ka rin? Time check, people. It's now 3:60 ng hapon and nandito kami sa labas ng bahay ni na Tita Christine. So, natapos na kami doon sa Inala. We had lunch. We also bought stuff. Bumili ako ng isda, guys, na pamprito. So, I think tamban niya ito na isda. Tapos, meron ding pusit. So, since nandito pa naman kami, dadalhin ko siya sa loob. Ilagay ko muna sa fridge ni Tita Christine kasi mamaya pa kami mga around 5 aalis. Kasi, diretso na kami pick upin si Daddy Mike sa ferry station ba? Para diretso-diretso na lang yung lakad. Alam niyo ba? Hindi na kami uwi. So, stay muna kami dito. Alam niyo ba, binili ko doon, bumili din ako ng guava. So, yung Asian na mga grocery na mga ganito, Inala, dyan mo lang bibili yung mga ganitong prutas. Hala, hindi ko nakita ito.
Wow, that's dry.
So, bayabas. Bumili din ako ng rambutan. Sobrang mahal, but it is cheaper than last time. Of course, help siling lang. Help siling. Yung rambutan nila ay $22 per kilo. Bumili ako nito. Tapos, oh my God, first time dito sa Brisbane na bumili ako ng langka. I'm so excited. Ito shopper din naman to siyang iwan ko lang dito. Yung galing ko lang sa loob is
I just wanna have to go toilet.
Oh, okay. Alright, did you help Celine?
Yes.
Celine na?
Yes. But can you take
Ah,
me?
bumili din pala ako ng halo-halo.
But can you take me?
Yeah, of course. Yung Filipino nila na restaurant doon, wala man silang kakanin, guys. So, halo-halo na lang binili ko.
That's good. I really wanna go towards it.
Okay. Okay. Lady! Ready, steady, go?
Go.
Ready, steady, go?
Go.
You have to change your natilingling, ha? Alam niyo ba kung bakit nandito rin kami, guys? Panghihingi ako ng malunggay. May puno ng malunggay si Tita Jenny. Yeah, I think Tita's not here yet, look. I'm not sure. Is it locked? Oh yeah, it's locked. You have to wait. Nakauna kami ng uwi, ah. Nag-taxi lang kasi. They're catching a taxi. Nag-taxi kasi sila. Yes, we'll have to wait for Nanay.
Nanay's that one. Oh, where's Nanay?
Where's Nanay? Narinig niyo yun, guys? Yes, that's Nanay's house, but she's not there yet.
No.
No, where is Nanay?
Is she in a taxi?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh,
What else? Say, where's Nanay?
orange.
Say, where's Nanay? Nanay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is she not here? No, Mommy.
No?
What is
Who is Nanay?
Nanay?
Gabi Nanay?
Nanay.
Christine.
Is she?
Is Nanay?
Nanay?
Christine.
Is she?
I love you, anak. Wait, okay? Oh, ito pala yung outfit ko, guys.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
They're on their way. They just catch me taxi, that's why.
I didn't die. I died.
Huh?
Look, I did that park already. Look. What?
Whoop.
It's just that.
Nanay is here. Yeah, we'll ask Nanay. Do I have to move? Okay na? Oh.
Okay. Is it okay?
Yes, okay.
Because they just got attacked.
Oh, ang kuan. Wheelchair. Help.
Mommy,
Help Nanay. Sugok-sugok pa. Tingnan nyo ang malunggay ni Tita. Malunggay pa more. Sabaw
Ako naman gi-aksyonan kay dako ra kayo ba. Utlo na ako unya kay wala nanday natuwas oy.
Taas sa kayo ah.
Tag-as na gani. Sige ba ni kanunay magudi na ako.
May gani kayo mo nang kasamaran ta pero nabuhi. Kalamunggay mo diha. 5 ang tapok. Yeah. For the soup. Can you say kalamunggay? Yeah, well done. Airplane! Whoa!
You know what? When I went to the park, I seen this kind of fruits, and then when they're not cool, I just ate them with my friends.
Yeah. This is yummy. Sa soup.
You know what?
Can you say nak to nanay kalamunggay?
Kalamunggay.
Yeah, good job. Lini, how about you? Kalamunggay?
Kalamunggay.
Dada!
Na tatay.
Dada!
Kalamunggay.
I want my arrow.
Kanawa tayo.
Dad, let mom do that. Okay?
Show to nanay lang.
Nanay!
Nanay. Nanay.
Arrow.
Kalamunggay.
Kalamunggay.
What's that, Celine?
Kalamunggay.
What's nanay's name lang?
What's that?
Nanay?
Kalamunggay?
Arrow.
A few moments later.
What are you going to do with your bucket?
Yeah, she's puppy. Puppy.
It's a pumpkin bucket.
Yeah, she's
Yeah, you know that's for Halloween.
yeah. Arrow?
Yes, Halloween.
Yeah, it's arrow.
Halloween. You're so cute, anak.
Yeah,
She's just starting to talk, guys.
arrow.
She's so cute.
I want arrow.
Halloween. It's for Halloween. That's right.
Yeah, it's arrow.
Where are we going now?
It's arrow.
No, where are we going now?
It's arrow.
We're picking up.
It's puppy.
We're picking up.
Puppy.
Ati.
Puppy.
Ati. Paris.
Puppy.
Puppy. Come on. So it's the day after, guys. Hindi ko na natapos yung vlog kagabi. Sa Ate Paris at school today. It's 3 o'clock. Pick upin na namin. Tingnan nyo. Wait, don't sit down na. Come on, let's go. Ate Paris is waiting. Bring your bucket. Ewan ko sa kanya, bakit binitbit niya yan eh.
Arrow.
What is that for?
I'm arrow.
For Halloween?
Yeah, it's arrow.
Halloween. Aww.
Oh, she's puppy.
Pumpkin.
Yeah,
Show me the pumpkin.
yeah,
Whoa. It's a pumpkin bucket for?
yeah, she. Puppy.
Pumpkin.
Mama,
Yes.
mama.
Mama.
Here, it's,
A pumpkin bucket for?
yeah, she puppy.
For Halloween.
Oh, well, I mean,
Yes.
I'm wow. Oh,
Whoop.
what's this dog?
What is it?
She's a dog.
It's a dog.
Whoa.
Paris is here now. Which one? Which one?
The one next to the banana.
yeah. Which one?
The red ones. The one with the teeth.
Now maybe you can choose anak because there's lots of there anak.
Mommy.
Yes, princess. You want the ice cream? This one?
I want a smiley face.
Okay.
That's
Alright.
another one she did.
Okay.
I like the boys.
Ayan, meron ng snacks yung dalawa, guys. Ayan, kay baby Celine yung parang cone ng ice cream.
Mommy,
Yes?
you're gonna be so happy at my lunch.
A what? Lunch? Did you eat it all?
I didn't, but I just had to eat one last banana and then finish my lunch
Oh,
box.
that's good. Well, we got this for the Paris, guys, kasi you know what? She's got a postcard. She's got a postcard from her teacher. Kita natin kay tita dito. Where did we put that? Ayan. Dear parents, your child Paris has consistently consistently shown respect, support, inspiration, and effort. Congratulations.
Mommy.
Aww. Yeah, that's for Ate Paris. See? Yeah, that's Ati's. When you go to school, you get one as well. Oh, ito. Binili ko to, guys. Oh. I don't know. I just want something to munch.
Celine, when
And
you're
you
in
got
school,
Fanta.
I'm not gonna see you, but when you're in my cup, I'll be seeing you. Yeah, I know.
Nga lang, magipaakan na. Tulod din na naman ulo noon. Okay, eat yours. Straight after the swimming. Ayan na with friends. Ayan, bago yan sila umuwi. Kinakausap natin Paris yung nanay nila sinasabi. Can we play first? Beat the... Ay! Alyssa, come down please. Come down.
Maybe if she fell down there.
Yeah, it's dangerous. You're gonna hurt yourself. Come down.
I fell down there.
Come down.
I wouldn't. I'm small. I'd never do that.
Yeah, no climbing please. No climbing.
Yeah, that's how I can stay like this.
Yes, come on, Minnie Gil.
Finding symbol. I got
Come on.
them. That's my library.
Yeah, itong library ng school natin Paris. Okay, anak ko. Taka-taka ka ha. Yan. Oop. Dumidilim na. 5 o'clock na siya, guys. Yan. So, pag uuwi na yan sila, tsaka pa kami umuwi. So, that's their chance to play.